Congratulations on your purchase of Icon Tool Storage. This video will show you how to set up the Icon End Locker, which attaches to the 56-inch or 73-inch Icon roller cabinet. Before you begin, please take the following safety precautions. The end locker weighs nearly 400 pounds, so we recommend at least 4 people to safely unbox and install the end locker. Remove the owner's manual from inside the end locker and follow the additional safety precautions listed on page 1. You will need the following tools to properly set up your Icon End Locker. A 6-inch extension with a 3/8-inch drive ratchet, 13mm socket, 16mm socket, 13mm wrench, 16mm wrench, PH2 screwdriver, impact drill with extension, impact 16mm socket, and a standard or pallet jack. The Icon locker will be delivered on a wood pallet. Remove the strapping and corrugate, then remove the plastic bag covering the locker. Note that the locker is configured for installation on the left side of the roller cabinet. If you want to put it on the right side of your cabinet, you will need to flip the door and the casters. The casters should be flipped while the end locker is on its side, on the pallet. The door can be flipped once the cabinet is off of the pallet on the casters. To flip the casters on the bottom of the end locker, remove each caster with an impact. Flip the suspension swivel casters and the rigid assembly casters around, and reinstall all bolts. Make sure the wheels are facing down. Lock the wheels. Pivot the end locker on the pallet and slide it to the end of the pallet. With assistance, tilt the cabinet up so that it is supported by the casters, making sure the wheels are facing down. Remove the key from the plastic bag at the front of the end locker. Unlock the end locker and remove the boxes of hardware, shelves, and tray holder. If the end locker and roller cabinet are not aligned, you may need to tilt or lift the cabinet so the fastening holes line up. You may want to use a jack to raise the locker until the holes are aligned. Use the 13mm socket and extension to first screw in the bolts between the end locker and the roller cabinet. Leave all bolts slightly loose until all 6 have been started. Then, attach the bolts between the end locker and top chest or work center. Finally, use the 13mm wrench to connect the bottom bolts of the locker to the roller cabinet. Tighten all bolts. Once the end locker is secured to the roller cabinet, use a 16mm wrench to remove the temporary red casters. If you want to install the locker on the right side of the cabinet, you'll want to flip the door. To do that, use a Phillips head 2 screwdriver to remove the 15 screws attaching the door hinge. With assistance, carefully turn the door over so that the hinge aligns with the holes on the other side of the door opening. Reattach the door using the hinge screws. Clip the shelves and accessory tray in the desired location. You are now ready to use your Icon End Locker or attach another Icon storage unit. For more information and to view assembly videos on other units in the Icon line of storage, please visit harborfreight.com/icon.